Hello everyone, it's Miss Thomas, and today we are looking at special quadrilaterals, namely rhombus, rectangle, and square. So a rhombus is a parallelogram with all equal sides. All sides congruent. So you can see that marked here in rhombus ABCD that all of the sides are congruent to one another. And so there are some other qualities of a rhombus. If it is a rhombus, then its diagonals are perpendicular. Another feature is that if it is a rhombus, then its diagonals will bisect opposite angles, or each angle. So then AC Another special quadrilateral is a rectangle. The definition of a rectangle is a parallelogram with four congruent angles. And since all of the angles must add up to 360 in a parallelogram, in a quadrilateral, and they're all equal, that means each angle is a right angle. Okay. And another quality of a a rectangle is that if it is a rectangle, then its diagonals are congruent to each other. So if we know this is a rectangle, then we can say that AC is congruent to BD. Our next special quadrilateral is a square, and a square is both a rhombus and a rectangle. So that means the square has all of those features of a rhombus and a rectangle, namely four congruent sides, four congruent angles, congruent diagonals, perpendicular diagonals, and diagonals bisect opposite angles.